you will be shown the map of city like New York from 1920, and you compare it with the situation today in 2021. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. It's great to see you again in my class, Academic Writing, with me, Akhyar Rido. Today is our first meeting, and I would like to introduce you to IELTS writing. Okay, because our academic writing will be related to IELTS writing, so our learning objectives for today will be about understanding and explaining the concept of IELTS writing test, which include definition, task, topics, and examples, and the last one will be marking criteria. So I hope you can follow our class today. Students, this is our outline. First, you will learn about what is IELTS writing test. Second, you will learn tasks, topics, and examples of IELTS writing test. And the third one, you will understand the marking criteria. Now, let us take a look at it one by one. Now, what is IELTS writing test? Okay, students, actually, the writing component of the IELTS exam is designed to assess how you write a response appropriately, organize ideas, and use a range of vocabulary and grammar accurately in your academic writing. So it will focus at your response, how you organize idea coherently and accurately, and how you use a wide range of vocabulary with complex grammar. So that's the focus of our academic writing for this semester. For your information, student, for IELTS writing test, it consists of 2 tasks, and you have 60 minutes to complete 2 of the tasks. Alright, now we are going to discuss the tasks one by one. So this is the tasks and topics of IELTS writing test. We will start with task 1. So task 1 in academic writing, IELTS, is actually a report on a chart. There will be a lot of charts there. Bar chart, pie chart, table, line graph, map, as well as diagram or process. So if we look at the 2 tasks of IELTS writing, so this first task is worth 33% of the total writing mark. So this will contribute 33% of the total writing test that you will take. So especially for this task 1, you will write over 150 words with no more than 20 minutes. So remember, students, you have to write at least 150 words and not more than 20 minutes. So that's for task 1. So when we talk about topics, what you have to write in task 1, okay? So normally, if you look at the screen, number 1, you will report statistics of food consumption in 5 different cities in the US based on a chart. Okay, so you will get a chart, a picture. Then you have to explain about, for example, the statistics of food consumption. You will also, for example, report based on a pie chart, data of favorite movie genre in 4 Asian countries. So you will report based on that data. Next, there will be, for example, a table, yeah, about informations of sales of clothing products for 5 years in a particular country. That's the possible question that you will report as well. Okay, the next one, you may be comparing, let's say, a particular age group of male and female who like doing exercise in a country. So you compare and contrast, yeah, the percentage of the number of people, male and female, who like doing exercise. All right. And the last one, you will also do, reporting maps of a city in different period of time. For example, you will be shown the map of city like New York from 1920, and you compare it with the situation today in 2021. So these are the tasks and topics of IELTS writing tests, especially task 1. Now I'm going to show you the tables and charts, yeah, as the examples, so you can, learn earlier how you have to write your report later on. Now, this is the examples of IELTS writing test task 1 about bar chart. You can see in the picture, this is a share of adults in the United States who used the internet in 2019 by age group. So by looking at this bar chart, you will be asked to report, yeah, whatever presented in the bar chart. Okay? Next, we have this pie chart. So this pie chart is about the main reasons for migration to and from the United Kingdom in 2007. So you will look at two different types of pie chart. Yeah, on the left side is about the immigration, and the right side is about emigration with the reason. So we will report this pie chart and compare, yeah, the percentage of the reasons why people go from UK and why people come to UK. All right, very interesting. The next is about table. You can see here is an example of IELTS writing test task 1, where you have to describe informations of train, yeah, the kilometers, yeah, or miles, yeah, of development of train, and then the passengers from major big cities in the world. Yeah, you can see here, then you will describe and you will report based on the table. All right, next, this is what we call as line graph. So here, it is also interesting that you have to do a report, or you have to write a report based on the line. So you can see the trend, yeah, whether it is increasing from time to time or is it decreasing. So you will report the trends, yeah, based on this line graph. And the next one, this is kind of example of IELTS writing test, especially task 1, that you have to deal with later on. It's about map. You need to compare and contrast, yeah, two different kind of maps, yeah, from time to time. Or it is also possible that you also will describe, yeah, a map in a particular of area or inside the building, yeah, in a form of report. Remember, students, these are the examples of task 1 of report writing from charts, graphs, and maps that you have to do. Yeah, remember, when you do your task 1, you have to write at least 150 words within 20 minutes. All right, the next one is diagram and process. This is also part of task 1 in IELTS writing. So principally, you need to describe or report the process, yeah. Here on screen, you can see milk production from the very beginning of the production until the end of production, even until it is distributed to the market. So these are the examples of tasks in IELTS writing, yeah, especially task 1. Okay, now let us move to task 2 of IELTS writing test. All right, in task 2, you, student, principally have to write a formal essay. So the common types of formal essays that you have to write is number 1, opinion. Next is advantage, disadvantage. Number 3 is direct question, and the last is problem solution. So these are at least the formal essays that you have to be familiar with before you set for your writing task. Okay? And this writing task 2 is worth 66% of the total writing marks. So the contributions of this part is 66%, yeah, while task 1 is 33%. Now, for this particular task of essay, you have to write at least 250 words, no more than 40 minutes. Again, I repeat, students, you have to write 250 words, no more than 40 minutes. Now, we talk about the topics of IELTS writing test task 2. So principally, when you write your formal essay, the topics cover economics, yeah, education, art, yeah, business, environment, family and children, language, media and advertising. So you have to master the current issues, yeah, news. You have to read books, yeah, articles, so it can support your writing later on. So, for example, in environment issue, you will be asked about the issue of animals, yeah, how we have to protect endangered animals, yeah, what is the solution for that? Or for family and children, the subtopic will be about discipline. Do you agree or disagree when you have to discipline your children in particular of rules and regulations, yeah? Or, for example, about language, yeah, how is the importance of language according to your opinion, yeah, mastering English for future career. And then for media and advertising, for example, how the solution for involving children, yeah, for advertising, for example. So you will deal a lot with current issues. So you have to read a lot, and you may be doing some discussion with your lecturers and friends, yeah, in order to support your writing.
Selanjutnya, kita saksikan video kiat mencegah penyebaran COVID-19.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pertumbuhan penderita COVID-19 di 2021 ini semakin meningkat. Tentunya ini tidak hanya berdampak terhadap kesehatan kita, tapi juga berdampak terhadap perekonomian Indonesia. Oleh karena itu, marilah bersama-sama kita memperjuangkan melawan COVID-19 ini. Protokol kesehatan tetap wajib kita laksanakan, walaupun telah divaksinasi. Mari kita melaksanakan 5M. Memakai masker, mencuci tangan, menjaga jarak, mengurangi mobilitas, dan menjauhi kerumunan. Marilah kita kembalikan kejayaan Indonesia ini dengan kesehatan dan pertumbuhan ekonomi yang semakin baik dengan bersama-sama kita melawan virus COVID-19 ini. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
sudah menyaksikan video pembelajaran ini. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe, serta nyalakan tanda loncengnya agar kalian tidak ketinggalan informasi update lainnya. I hate